Good morning, children. This is the second part of the chapter Lines and Angles. In this video, we are going to solve the exercise 17a. The first three sums you have to name each of the angles. In question number 2, you have to classify the angles as acute, right, obtuse, straight or reflex, and in the third question you have to classify the given angles. Okay, now come to the fourth question. An angle is 30 degree larger than a straight angle. 30 degree larger than a straight angle. What is a straight angle? A straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, so let the angle be x, then x is equal to how much? 180 degree plus 30 degree, because it is 30 degree larger, right? Now the next question. At 5 o'clock at 5 o'clock the hands of the clock make an obtuse angle and a reflex angle. Find the measure of each of these angles. Okay, see, this is the clock at 5 o'clock. This is the obtuse angle the arms of the clock are making, and this is the reflex angle then it is making. Okay, now total degrees around this point O is how much? It is 360 degrees. And total number of hours in the clock is 12. So if you divide 360 by 12, you will get how many degrees in 1 hour? So number of hours in the clock is 12, and each division or each hour is equal to 360 by 12 is 30 degrees. Okay, so from 12 to 1, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, like that. Then the obtuse angle that the clock forms is how much? It is at 5. So multiply to 5. 30 into 5 is 150 degrees is the angle formed, the obtuse angle formed by the hands of the clock. Now what is the reflex angle formed? Count from here. From 5 to 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, or else you can say there are 12 hours. 12 hours minus 5 hours is equal to 7 hours. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. So 7 hours is equal to 30 into 7 is 210 degree. Right? Then coming to question number 7. In question number 7, I have solved only one bit, that is bit 3. How many degrees in 1.5 right angles? 1.5 right angles is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into right angle is 90 degree. So 3 by 2 into 90 degree. 2 and 90 got cancelled. 45 into 3 is 135 degree. Write the complement of each. 3/5 of a right angle. 3/5 of right angle is 3 by 5 into 90, found out to be 54. Then the complement of 54 is going to be how much? 90 minus 54 degree, that is 36 degree. X plus 12, you have to find the complement of this. Complement of x plus 12 will be 90 minus, you put x plus 12 inside the bracket. Okay, because I have to subtract this whole thing. Then this is how much? 90 minus and plus, minus plus minus, so minus x minus 12. 90 minus 12 is how much? 78, minus x is the complement of x plus 12. Then the next example, that is question number 8, number 6. It is 42 degree 36 minutes and 25 seconds. Now what is the complement of 42 degree 36 minutes 25 seconds? That is equal to 90 minus this whole thing. Okay, then how do we subtract from 90? See, 90, 0, 0, 0, 0. I borrow 1 degree from here. When I borrow 1 degree from here, it comes and gets added in the minutes as 60 minutes, because 1 degree is 60 minutes. From 60 minutes, I take 1 minute, then this remains as 59 minutes, and this is how much? 60 seconds. So from 60 seconds, you will subtract 25 seconds. 60 minus 25 is 35 seconds. Then 59 minutes, from that you subtract 36, you will get 23 minutes, and 89 minus 42 is 47 degree. That is 47 degree 23 minutes 35 seconds is the answer. Or you can do it like this. You can directly write 90 degree is equal to 89 degrees 59 minutes and 60 seconds. 80 degree 59 minutes 60 seconds. Okay, minus 42 degree 36 minutes and 25 seconds. The same answer you will be getting over here. Now question number 9 is, you have to write the supplement of each of the following angles. 0.6 of a right angle. 0.6. 0.6 means 6 by 10. Okay, to remove the decimal I have divided by 10, and of right angle means into 90 degree, that is how much? 54 degree. So supplement of 54 degree is 180 minus 54, that is 126 degree. Supplement of x minus 30 degree, 180 minus x minus 30. So x minus 30, the whole thing you will be subtracting, so the whole thing you will put inside the bracket. 180 minus plus minus minus x minus minus plus 30. So 180 plus 30 is 210 minus x degree. Okay, 62 degree 56 minutes. The supplement is 180 minus 62 degree 56 minutes. See, 180 I have written as 175 degree 60 minutes minus 62 56. So this gives 4 minutes and 117 degrees. So you can write it as this is cut up. You can write it as 117 degree 4 minutes. Now the supplement of this. Similar way as we did for complement, here instead of 90 you will take 180 and solve. Come to question number 10. Question number 10 is that if x degree and x plus 30 degree are complements of each other, find the value of x. These two are complements, means their sum is going to be 90 degree. Okay, so if the angles are x degree and x plus 30 degree, then x plus 30 is 90 degree. If we remove the bracket, we will have x degree plus x degree is equal to 90 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, 2x is 60 and x is equal to 30 degrees. X is equal to 30 degrees. Okay. Then the next question. Here we will not find the value of each angle because here you are asked only to find the value of x. So value of x we will find and leave. Okay, then come to question number 13, because 11 and 12, 11 is similar question and I am solving 13, so 12 is similar to 13. Question number 13, you see, two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 7:8. You have to find the angles. So two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 7:8. Then the required angles are what? For 7 I can take 7x and 8 is 8x degree. So 7x plus 8x is equal to 180 because the angles are supplementary. If it is complementary, then you will take here 90. Okay, so 15x is 180, then x is how much? X is 12. So the required angles are how much? We have to find the angles. So the required angles are 7x degree, that is 7 into 12 is 84 degree, and 8 into 12 is 96 degree. Come to question number 14. 25% of an angle is the complement of 50 degree. Find the angles. 25% of an angle. This angle is not known, so let the angle be x. Okay, the required angle, let it be x degree. So 25% of angle, that is 25% of x, is the complement of 50 degree. It is the complement of 50 degree. That means this plus this is equal to 90 degree. Okay, if these two are complements, means their total is how much? 90 degree. So 25x by 100 minus 90 minus 50, that is equal to 40, and x is how much? 100 is in denominator. To the other side it will go and get multiplied over here. Other side, when it will go, it will get multiplied here, and 25 will come down over here. Divide. Okay, so 100 by 25, 25, 100, 4 times 4 into 40, 160 degree. Question number 16. An angle is double its complement. Find the angle. Okay, an angle is not known, so we'll take the angle to be x. It is double of its complement. Okay, that means complement of the angle is how much? 90 minus x. Okay, so this angle x is double of 90 minus x. That is, x is equal to 2 into 90 minus x. X is double of the complement. X equal to 180 minus 2x. X plus 2x is 180. 3x is 180. X is 180 by 3. That is 60 degree. Okay, so what is the required angle? The required angle is 60 degree. X is the value of x we found out to be 60. Therefore, required angle is x degree, and it is 60 degree. Question number 17. The measure of an angle is 20 degree more than its complement. Find the measure of the angle. Here also the angle is not given, so we will take the required angle to be x. Measure of angle is 20 degree more than its complement. Okay, the complement of the angle is going to be 90 minus x. So measure is how much? X degree is how much? X degree is 20 degree more than complement. Okay, that means x minus 90 minus x is equal to 20 degree. Okay, because this is x is how much? X is greater than this by 20 degree. X is more than the complement by 20 degree. Okay, x complement is 90 minus x. X is more than 90 minus x by 20 degree. Now you will solve and find out the answer. What is the required angle? Number 18. The measure of an angle is 30 degree less than its supplement. Find the measure of the angle. Here also angle is not given, so we will take it as x. Okay, then what is the supplement? The supplement is how much? 180 minus x. It is given that the measure of the angle is 30 degree less than its supplement. That means x is 30 degree less than the supplement. Here it is going to be what? 180 minus x minus the angle is equal to 30 degree, because this is less than the supplement by 30 degree. Okay, same way you will solve and find out. See, it is minus x minus x. So both x I have taken to the other side, and it is plus 2x. Okay. Now question number 19 is, find an angle which is 2/3 of its complement. 2/3 of complement. If the angle is x, then the complement is how much? 90 minus x. Okay. What is given? That x is what? 2/3 of the complement. Okay. See, 2/3 is getting multiplied over here. So when things are multiplied, we can take the denominator to the other side. So it will get multiplied with x, and it become 3x. Okay, 3x is how much? 2 into 90 is 180 minus 2x. And solve and find out what the angle is. 19 and 20 are similar sums, so you are going to find it out yourself. Now question number 21. Find an angle which is 5 degree more than 4 times its supplement. Here also angle is not given, so we will take the required angle to be x degree. Okay, then what is the supplement? It is supplement is 180 minus x. 4 times its supplement. An angle is which is 5 more then 4 times its supplement. The 4 times of its supplement is 4 into this much. So this angle is what? This angle is 5 times more. That means the difference between the angle and the supplement, 4 times the supplement of the angle, is 5. So x minus 4 into 180 minus x is 5, because 4 times the supplement is this much. And solve and find the answer. I hope this exercise 17a is clear. Do all the sums in the copy, and the remaining sums which are not explained also, similar sums are left, so that also you will do it in your copy.